Slide 4. We are almost done. Okay. So you're going to start off by copying and pasting slide 2. So that slide 3 looks exactly like slide 2. I'm hoping you remember how to do this. So if you do, pause me and go ahead and copy and paste that slide. And then when you come back, we'll start on step 2. So step 2 says change all of the exit animations so that instead of all the bullets exiting at the end at the same time, they exit directly after each entrance. Okay, so let me explain kind of what I want you to do here. So first of all, I'm going to copy and paste this, Control C, Control V. Okay, so now make sure you're on slide 3. And as before, if you're watching from before, the way that we have it set up, each bullet comes in first before each exits. Well, sometimes you want something to come in and leave before the next bullet comes up. So that's what I want you to do now. When you are working with animations, it's always a good idea to have your animation pane open. So go ahead now, click on your animations tab and come over here where it says animation pane and click on that. Okay. I always have my animation pane open when I'm doing animations. It's pretty cool. So you can see, whoopsie, make sure again you're still on slide 3. You can see all of your animations in order here. And you can see animations 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are all entrance because they're green. And then you can see 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Those animations are all exit because they are black. And you can even see the order. I'm sorry, not black, red. Duh. I don't know why I said that. Exits are red. So, and then you can see the order too that they are all in. So, and pizza enters, then sleep enters, then teaching enters, so on and so forth. So what I want you to do now is I want you to make it so that each word comes in on an entrance effect and then it leaves before the next word comes in and leaves. So in this case, it's pretty easy. All we're going to do, so like after my pizza comes in, I want my pizza to leave. I'm just going to click, drag, and drop that. So that now, and then if I preview it, I should see that my pizza comes in, then my pizza leaves. Okay. All right. So go ahead now and reorder those. So after each one enters, it leaves before the next one comes on the screen. Pause me and do that now. Okay. Once you have reordered them, now you should see a green entrance and a red exit for each one of your bullet points. And then the last, just kidding, not the last step. Step 3 here says play the presentation from the current slide so you can see how the animations now take place when you are showing your slideshow. So we're going to come up here to your slideshow tab. We're going to hit play from current. And now when you click through, once I click, pizza should come in. And once I click again, pizza should go out. Then I click, sleep comes in, sleep goes out, so on and so forth. All right, go ahead and do that. Make sure everything looks as it should. And then the last thing we're going to do is we are going to copy and paste an image for all of your bullet points. So I will do the first one with you, and you guys will do the next 3 or 4. So I got to find another image of pizza. So I'm going to type in pizza. Oops, hut came up. Blah. And then I'm going to go to my images. I just want to show you, I want to remind you. Let me choose a different one this time around. I don't know why there would ever be a not happy face on a pizza. Okay, I'm going to choose this one here. I'm going to right click. I'm going to hit copy image. When I go to my PowerPoint, when I click, if I hit Control V, I wanted to remind you, okay, this time it worked. If when you hit Control V or you right click and hit paste, if it doesn't come up, don't forget, sometimes you have to click on that clipboard option or that CTRL option and hit that third clipboard that has that image icon there. Okay, so we're going to be adding 3 or 4 more, depending if you had 4 or 5 bullets, images in there, 1 for each of your bullet points. And then I believe that's it for this slide. So let me check real quick. Yes, go ahead and do that, and then I will meet you on slide 5.